guys, so today we are going to be doing the projects E is for envelope and F is for feathers. So for E is for envelopes, just take glue, paper, and envelopes and glue the envelopes in the shape of the letter E. So my envelopes were a little bit thick, they basically took up the whole paper, but you could either get skinnier envelopes or a bigger piece of paper and then it would maybe look a little bit better than ours turned out, but the kids really enjoyed this project. So once your envelopes are in the shape of an E, then you can take whatever you want to decorate your envelopes with. We just did crayons and decorate your envelopes. So I opened it up and showed the kids how to make a little design on the inside. Mine was a smiley face, but the kids really enjoyed opening up the envelopes and just coloring in them. So for F is for feathers, just draw the letter F and then glue the feathers on. The kids thought this was a fun project because they liked picking out the different colored feathers, and Adeline picked all pink and Zach was picking out all different kinds of colors, so it was kind of fun for them because I don't think we've ever used feathers before. So let me know what you think about this project down in the comments, and we will see you in the next video. Alright, bye guys!